Hi, it's me again. Sorry about that. In the previous video, I wanted to show how this speaker works, and I forgot to do that. So I'm going to do that now. So on this video, I'm going to show you how this Sony speaker sounds like. So let me go here and type. Let me check for a good bass sound music. So you see what I mean, right? So it's like a 50% of the volume.
Well, I'm on the way this time. All I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature, shelter you from the storm. Oh Lord, girl, I got the right kind of to turn you on. And girl, I'm in a bumper, you can be the mom. Oh,
Yeah, so as you can see, I mean, it's oh my god, like I can feel the vibration like of the bass. It's awesome, I'm telling you. I mean, I would recommend this. I mean, I gives you a thumbs up, 5 star for this. It's an awesome speaker. I mean, there are speakers, goes up to $200-300, but I don't see the reason why you spend like $150 for this compared to that, right? It gives better bass, better sound. It's awesome. So if anyone up for a good speaker, right, this is it. It's called the Sony Extra Bass SRS XB32. So thank you again. Take care. Bye bye.